Magandang araw mga Lodi. Welcome back to another episode of Money Guru, where we talk about the financial questions that matter the most to you. Dito siguro, Money Guru. I'm with Alex Calleja here, and today we'll go through some questions from our Money Guru fans and do our best to provide helpful answers that they can actually use.
Question number 1. Pakiramdam ko po ay milyonaryo ako tuwing sahod sa sobrang excited kong bumili ng kung ano-ano. Paano ko po ba maiwasan ang ganitong mindset? Yan. Eto. Para ang keyword dito, John, is sahod. Ibig sabihin may trabaho siya. Ang gawin mo, mag-resign ka para mawalan ka ng trabaho, wala kang sahod, wala ka na ngayong problema. Ganun lang yon. Tanggalin mo ang source ng problema. Ang sahod galing sa trabaho, tanggalin ang trabaho, wala kang sahod, wala kang problema. Okay ba yan, John?
No, that is not right. But anyways, that's a great suggestion, Alex, if you want to relax, retire, and maybe lose your money in 5 years because you're not doing anything and you've spent it all. But, hey, maybe there's some advantages that mental wellness might be good because you're not thinking of anything.
Yes.
Right?
You're not also eating.
Eating, yeah. So, you get to diet, and you also like to lose your money. But, so, Alex, dapat ganito.
Okay.
The moment you receive your salary, always set aside a portion of that for savings right away. I know that we easily get tempted to splurge every time we receive our income, but that will lead to long-term struggles. And we don't want that. Kapag may pera, dapat may plano. You don't want to be happy now, then suffer later.
Okay. Omsim na omsim. Gusto ko talaga yun, omsim na omsim.
So, omsim na omsim, Alex. Till our next episode, mga Lods, tutok lang palagi. Money Guru, dito sa Money Guru.